Do you know that you might be the reason why YouTube is not recommending your videos? A lot of people just post after making their video, they come here on YouTube and they post, and that is all. There are settings that you need to put in place for YouTube to recommend your videos, and one of these is tags and hashtag. When you finish making your videos and you want to post, you must use the necessary word for your title. Like the word relating to that your video, you must use it for your title, for your description, and for your tags. Whenever you want to put tags, you must use the necessary word, the keywords for your tags and hashtag. I've seen many people without putting hashtag, they just go ahead to post. No tags, no SEO. Yes, YouTube said that not because of your tags that you will get views, but putting your tags, putting your SEO, putting your hashtag to your video still up YouTube, recommends that your video. Just imagine making a video on how to how to create a YouTube channel, and on your hashtag you add how to how to make money, you add how to run. I'm just saying. Then someone come here on YouTube and search for how to create a YouTube channel. Do you think YouTube is going to recommend that your video to the person? No, because what you put as your tags, what you put as your title is not relating to what the person is searching. And funny how your video is what the person is searching, but you did not put the necessary tags and hashtag to your video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you simple way to put hashtag and tags. And for many people that don't know what hashtag is, what tag is, I will just show you like what they have. Let's go to my YouTube studio. So particular video, let's go ahead to edit. So this description, this hashtag YouTube any hashtag monetization, hashtag YouTube views, this is hashtags. This what I added here are what is relating to this video. So let's go down. Let's go down. Okay, this more. These are the tags, YouTube monetization, how much YouTube pay me, YouTube any, YouTube views, YouTube creator motivation, YouTube growth, YouTube everything here is relating to this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to get the necessary keywords you need to use for your description, for your hashtag, for your tags, and for your even your title, so that YouTube is going to start recommending those your videos. So what you need to do now is to head to your Chrome or any browser of your choice. You search for YouTube Studio. Okay, I already logged in, and like the video, reason why they say you should put your video in on list or schedule your video is so that after posting it, you can put all these necessary settings, which is tags and hashtag, your description, your title, your thumbnail, everything is part of it. So this is what you need to do now. You go to this subtitle, you click on subtitle, edit as text. So all these scripts, you select all, you copy it, then you go to your WhatsApp AI. This is my WhatsApp AI already is here. You paste the script, then underneath you write I need tags, hashtags, hashtags, description, and even title, and you send. and wait for it to load. Okay, this is it. Title from 51 views to 0.2. Don't give up. You can still ask for more title, or you can just use your title. Why the description? Are you struggling to grow your channel? Don't give up. In this video I shared that is exactly what is it. So this is the SEO. Like perfect this describe this perfect SEO. Perfect SEO to this video. Perfect hashtag. So you can see, so getting hashtag and tags relating to your videos is very, very easy. You can use this way. You can use Mental AI. You can use your normal AI, chat, GBT. All these things, like all this AI now is not helping you. Creators are making money using AI now. You can even go ahead to ask your AI, I need a video idea. Tell them the niche you are in, and they will give you video idea to make if you don't have any video to make. So we have come to the end of today's video, and I'm very, very sure that you learned one or two things from today's video if you are still watching to this time. So please do it to like the video, comment on the video, share the video so that more audience will watch the video. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question at all, do well to drop it in the comment section. I am definitely going to reply you. And see you all in my next video. Bye.